Here's a question I bet you no one has ever asked you before. Have you ever tasted a moose fart?
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. This one's super simple to make and it is no bake. Starting off with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, adding a teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 cup of melted butter. I use salted butter. Just give that a stir until it's well combined. Then you'll add in the following ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1 1/2 cups of dried coconut. I use sweetened flaked coconut, and 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. And just stir that together until you get a very thick dough that's going to be pretty sticky. So this is going to go in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or overnight until it's nicely chilled and it'll be easier to work with. Then you're going to take out little portions. I used a little cookie scoop just so that they will all be the same size, and it's kind of like a bite-sized portion. Roll it into a little ball and then just coat it with some additional graham cracker crumbs. And then that's it. Put them in the refrigerator. They need to be stored there, and they actually store pretty well in the freezer as well, and they do stay quite soft. As I do for all my recipes, you will find a link in the description box to the original author of this recipe and the person who came up with this really cute name. These are very rich. Make them small. I think kids will absolutely love them. They even would love to help you make them, and they will also get a really good giggle out of the name. Here's one in cross section. You can see that they're very simple. They do stay soft, so make sure you keep them refrigerated, and I hope you give these a try. Here is another really cute little novelty no-bake treat the kids will love to help you make these, and they will love to eat them too. Reindeer nibbles.